This to me is living life, guys. Adventure, excitement, the opposite of boredom. That's life.
Are you even alive?
No. Hey, what's happening, everybody? Say hi to Kellyanne.
Hi, everybody.
Kellyanne says hi too. Guys, sorry about the audio. Pretty breezy. We're out here bouldering. I didn't tell you guys yet, but had an opportunity to take a fairly spontaneous excursion, hit the road in the Jeep, and look where we are. Actually hanging with coaching member turned best of friends, Ryan Healy. So Ryan's out here climbing around the rocks too. I wanted to take this opportunity to share today's winner of the $25 Amazon gift card, and I'm actually gonna give away two, because not only did Albert Moorhead win the week's random drawing, and I'm super stoked for that. Albert, what's happening, friend? Congratulations, love your comment. Albert commented and has been super active in all of our social media platforms over the last couple of weeks, saying that he had learned the power of compounded interest and what that means when being charged, and simultaneously what that means if you use it to your advantage. So Albert couldn't agree more. He's also super stoked about getting his loved ones on board, and sometimes that is an even greater challenge. So Albert, congratulations again to you, my friend. Put it to great use and keep up the hard work too. So guys, I'm just out here in Santa Barbara briefly because frankly we can get away anytime we want to, and that's what we want to teach you guys. So all of that stuff is discussed here on this channel. In order to stay eligible for the weekly contest, if you want to win a $25 gift card to Amazon in order to jumpstart your cash flow plan, go ahead and comment below. Go ahead and share what it is that you've been learning on the channel. If this again is your first video, it's best to start surfing through and discover what it is that we teach. I've not seen any other channels talk on the subject of specializing in credit maximization for purposes of capital acquisition in order to optimize cash flow. So a lot of uniquely special content here on the channel. And so again, welcome aboard, but check everything out and then comment below as to what it is that you're taking away from this material. And we'll pick randomly for a weekly drawing of $25. In 2 weeks, we'll be doing our first drawing for a 2-hour Skype phone coaching session, which is going to be another gift that you have the opportunity to win. The more times you comment, the more active you are on all of our social media, not just this channel, you will be entered for eligibility again. So there's no limit to that. Just place those comments and start winning. The quote of today is from Jordan B. Peterson. So I've been studying every single day as usual. And what I've really started digging into for some of you that may be interested is Jordan's material. And you know, again, this is somebody that really challenges you to think. And I have very much been expanding my mind and thought processes through his content as of late. I am currently reading his book, 12 Steps to Life, 12 Principles to Life. I can't even remember the title. And when I say reading, I mean audio. So I do everything on audio so that I can multitask. But when we do these road trips, it's easy to just jump in the car and advance yourself. You know, I can take time out to make videos like this for you guys and also contribute value back. So a lot of really terrific multi-purposing that can happen if you design your lifestyle the right way. And you can also find ways of monetizing that, just like we have. And so I'd love to be able to help assist any of you in that venture. So make sure that you follow along. Also, when you get the opportunity and you've grown your cash flow position above $500 per month, these techniques, we can navigate them with and for you. You can have somebody with an extra perspective there to help you feel confident that you're seeing opportunities you wouldn't otherwise see and avoiding mistakes that you otherwise would make. And that's really the key here, is building a solid foundation. I believe today is, or yesterday was National Administration Day or Administrators Day. So we're also recognizing those of us that have a team and recognizing those people as critical to the growth of any objective. The times in life where I pretended to be all-knowing and a DIYer, you know, I messed up, and I messed up in expensive ways, not just financially expensive, but time-consuming. And the one thing we'll never get more of is time. So if you're not out enjoying, you know, a view like this, we'll throw some drone footage up of Knapp's Castle. You know, this to me is living life, guys. Adventure, excitement, the opposite of boredom, that's life. Timothy Ferriss said it best. What's the opposite of happiness? Most people would say sadness or anger. I say boredom. I can't live life being bored. And cash flow gives me the freedom to enjoy an exciting and adventurous life. So guys, I love you very much. Thanks for participating in the contest. Leave your comments below. What are you learning from the channel? How do you hope to use it in your life? And take a visit at our other social media in the description below. Oh, I almost forgot. So we got the most exciting, or I'm sorry, I guess the word would better be entertaining comment that I've ever received in the history of YouTube, which is saying a lot. And I'm gonna leave that little tale in the description below as well. But go ahead and shoot me an email back at the contact us at vipfinancialeducation.com address. We'll put stipulations down there to make sure that we know it's you. But for you, the author of that little story, I want to reward you too. So you're gonna get a $25 Amazon gift card just for putting a huge smile on my face. So guys, enjoy that little tale, and we'll see you on the next video. Until then, make it a great day yourself, and take awesome care. Bye now.